Hey guys, how you all doing? It's Henry here again. I want to quickly show you guys Exness trading broker. Yeah, Exness is a very good broker for all those who wants to go into forex trading. Exness is really the broker you need. Like I've been using it recently, and wow, it's awesome, and it's something I can recommend for those who really want to go into trading, novices, those who are new to trading, that wants to learn forex trading. Exness is the best. Okay, now let me just quickly show you how it works. It's very easy. Yeah, this is the Exness app. Click the Exness app. I want to quickly show you. Exness is really a good broker, and it works with MetaTrader 4. So I believe you might have been hearing MetaTrader 4. What is MetaTrader 4? How does MetaTrader 4 works? Yeah, you link your MetaTrader 4 trading platform to your Exness broker. Yeah, it is very simple. It's very easy. If you're a novice, if you don't know what trading is, if you don't know what forex is, this video is just to show you what Exness is. So I'm not really diving into how the registration and everything, but I just want to show you how it works. Okay, like I said, this is just a new account. As you can see, I have $0.76. Now it is linked to my MetaTrader 4. Once I click trade, it will take me directly to MetaTrader 4. Just watch. Now it has taken me to MetaTrader 4. Now in the video that I'll be doing next, I would show you how to register your MetaTrader 4, link your MetaTrader 4 with your Exness broker. Very simple. Okay, I have a trade going on. Now this is the trade that I have going on. BTC USD. I'm selling BTC. As you can see right now, it is minus 0.11. So it's going, my sales, my prediction is going against me, but I believe it will come back. So as you can see, this is my balance. I have 3.00. Now this is my equity, 2.88. So this is just basically it. This video is just to show you how Exness is, how you link your Exness account to your MetaTrader 4. But I'm not going into details, but I just want to show you. Now, why am I recommending Exness? Exness is cool because the minimum deposit is $3. $3 in naira is like 1,180 something naira. So you could start trading. You know, before we used to think, oh, you must have a certain outrageous amount of money to trade on forex, and that's why many of us have not really been going into forex, and that's why we have not really been making money out of it. But Exness is beautiful. Now with Exness, you can start with $3. Imagine $3 is one, like I said earlier, 1,180 something naira. It is something you could just risk. Do you understand? It is cool. And let's go back to Exness. This is the Exness account. Hey, be fast. Okay, as you can see, so it's very simple to create. I'll be doing a video where I would start with a fresh account. I'll show you how to create your Exness account and also link your Exness account to your MetaTrader 4 account. But this is a verified account. As you can see, it is verified. So like the account is verified. Click home. It's already linked to my MetaTrader 4, and you could also trade on Exness. Do you understand me? It's a broker and also a trading platform. If you don't want to link it to your MetaTrader 4, you can also start trading. Immediately you complete the registration and you deposit your $3, you can start trading from Exness. Now, don't get it twisted. Forex is the fastest way of making money. I'm going to tell you the gospel truth. Forex is sweet. You can make money from Forex instantly. Do you get me? So it is something everyone should go into. And I'm really proud of Exness. They've made it so easy. The platform is very easy to understand. Do you understand? So it is something everyone should actually go into. Like I said, I'll be dropping a video after this just to show you how to create your Exness account from scratch to finish, link your MetaTrader 4 account to your Exness account. Do you understand? So, but this video is just to talk about the both Exness and MetaTrader 4, how beautiful they are, how you can look. As you can see, the deposit is right here, the withdrawal is right here, and the withdrawal is instant. So every money you make from your MetaTrader 4 while trading, this is your broker, it all stores here. So you can immediately let's just click the withdrawal. Let's see. If you click withdraw, as you can see, my bank my bank card is already linked. It's already linked. So once I click continue, I can withdraw any amount that I want to withdraw. Do you see? It is so sweet. It is interesting. Like it is wonderful. Even if you want to deposit, once you just click deposit, it is straight up. Once you click deposit, you already add your card number. Once you put the amount, click here, put any amount of your choice, $3, continue. The deposit is instant, the withdrawal is instant. So no one is lying to you, no one is taking your money. It is awesome. So let's just quickly go back to MetaTrader 4 and let's see how our trade is doing. Let's see. It still has the red badge. Let's see. It's still going against me. It's 0.05, but it will go up. It will go back up, I believe. So that is that. Like I said, I'll be dropping a video shortly on how you can create these both accounts and link them from scratch to finish. Thank you very much. I would really want you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that when I drop the latest videos, you can get it. Now I'll be dropping the Exness link whereby you can. Oh, okay, it has gone back. I wanted to say it's going for us right now. The trade is going for us right now, but it has gone back. But it will go for us. You would see. Now I'll be dropping the Exness link whereby you can register on Exness now. I'll drop the link on the description below. Click the link below to register on Exness. Once you register, then we are good to go. Yeah, thank you very much.